Thank you, Daniel. I woke up this morning and I learned that one of my staff is retiring. So, kaya ko may una ki November yun. Inuna anak so bawal di mga kahilwang taguhan taon. So, I will be extending until 2026. Yeah. Actually, it's supposed to be the provincial accountant who will make the short talk regarding the services of Madam Vivian because she stayed in the provincial accounting office for 19 years. So, hindi na talaga yung mature na. And then, he just transferred to our office in 2022. So he had a learning of 2 years and an application of what he learned for another 2 years. So 4 years, and we thank you very much, Vivian. Vivian is also a sister in one of the organization. So we thank you very much for serving our office also, contributing to our well-deserved outputs and accomplishments. Vivian is the one who reviews the municipal budgets of our 11 municipalities. Yan ang talaga mga technical review. And of course, I will sign. The provincial budget officer will review also, final review and sign for endorsement to the Sangguniang Panlalawigan. Hindi mo i-final an action di Sangguniang Panlalawigan regarding the review of municipal budgets. So, with at least a short 4 years staying na office me, I hope you also learned a lot from our small office. What are the remembrance and tugtugot mo while you are enjoying your retirement. And of course, ang iba't bating damdamaan na experiences mo yung kanandi, joy that we have experienced together with the other staff of the office. And we thank you very much for your contributions, Madam Vivian. We hope, in behalf of the Provincial Budget Office staff, basit ako, mong kakaanan tako pa eh. So, I hope mapilapat to ng position mo, Nagus. Yeah. So, because the budget preparation is nearly along, lihok mo po ng dama. So, I hope you enjoy your retirement with your family, and of course, sometimes bisita muna kami ramdama. So, together with the accounting office, we will be out of the province starting tomorrow. Kurudol mi na Dr. Pira, maramanin niya lang hindi. Pakishare na niyo mo. So, thank you very much. Again, Madam Vivian, enjoy and God bless you.